eBay, a lot of people think it's still all about bargains, getting a bargain, and you go to Amazon for getting brands. That certainly has not been the case for many, many years. 12 million, it's way more than 12 million unique monthly visitors now, 40,000 small businesses on eBay, lots and lots of people. 2 in 3 Aussies purchased something on eBay in the last 12 months. Nearly 5,000 Aussies have made more than $1 million on eBay since its launch. I can proudly say I'm one of those. I had a look up and I just cracked it. I'm just under it. It's 9 something just on eBay. So that's pretty good. And this was really exciting because when I saw this, I thought that's not what was in my course at all. So I had to look back. And so only 12 months or so ago, there was only 3,360 millionaires. So it's really come a long way in the last 12, 18 months since I last did the update and did these on the course. Lots and lots. 73% of visitors now come through mobile. I can see that even in my own business, get that. That was the last figures. Lots of big brands on eBay now, loads and loads. So Good Guys, Bing Lee, Sony, so the big guys are realizing that that's where the people are. So they want to be there as well. So it kind of makes sense to be where the people are. As Neil said, traffic. So my favorite, and many of you will have seen this before. This site is called SimilarWeb. And so I always set it to compare eBay with Amazon. So currently Amazon is sitting at 34.8 million monthly views. eBay is sitting at 64.40. So yeah, twice. We're pretty well double. It's these figures as well that are interesting. So people are staying on eBay, 1.5 times longer. They're visiting, 6 pages on Amazon, 7.5 on eBay, and the bounce rate is better as well. But you can see this gap, and it never has been from the day one. These figures are going up, but this gap's not closing. So eBay still has a long way to go. So yeah, definitely don't write it off.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There are over 2,500 members right here in Australia. We've also got members from other countries as well, but we're mostly in Australia. We've got sales of over $50 million on Amazon here in Australia and indeed right around the world. And if you'd like to find out more about joining us and getting all the benefits of being a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside.